hi again because the first time didn't record. I should put this on YouTube, the longest sneezing fest ever. Get up. Yes, you can. Get up.
See ya.
This is so amusing. You might want to put your hair back up.
No.
Because it's all like, whoop. That looks so ridiculous.
Yeah,
It still looks ridiculous. Because it's been up all day.
You end up, Ron.
No.
Gina! Gina! Gina, run!
Just put your clip back in. Oh, this is great. Bless you. Did you just hit your head? Bless you. You got an alfalfa thing going on there. Sorry that I'm amused by your pain. Your guts hurt, don't they? You go home and take 2 allergy pills.
And I'll take it coming too.
Oh, great. Do you have allergy pills?
No.
I have 10 milligram Zyrtec at home if you need one.
Sure.
You come down and get one. Huh?
Bring it on up.
What?
Bring it on up.
Bring it on up?
Yeah.
What?
How do you want to go yet?